G'day everyone, welcome to Pay It Forward. I am in Willy Wonka mode today. No, I just feel like Willy Wonka today. I actually just bought a top hat I must share with you all and put together a Willy Wonka outfit. I'm so excited about today's colours. Anyway, I'm just in that mood. I'm looking forward to chatting with you all. I'm here to invite you all to a coffee catch-up Q&A morning. So just as we always do, right here below this video in the comments, I want you to post all of your questions you have for me. They can be anything. I'm a complete open book. You can ask me private questions, personal questions, questions about our work together, about what you've been doing, any issues you might be having. This is the place to do it. So I've done some of these before. You can check those out and have a watch of those to get an idea. I will endeavour to answer absolutely everybody's questions. So fire away. I'm going to give you a couple of days and we'll build up a nice amount, and then I will be right here again and ready to chat with you all and answer those for you. So looking forward to it all, and everybody jump in and get involved. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you soon.